Hello and welcome back to Hanspal Kitchen, guys. Today we are going to be making buttermilk chicken. It is kind of like KFC chicken but very different and is a great appetizer. So before we start, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Now let's get cooking. Let's start with a bowl full of chicken and add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1.5 teaspoons of chili powder, and mix them well. To this, add 2 cups of buttermilk and mix again. The chicken is now ready to be marinated, so make sure you cover and marinate for at least 2 hours in the refrigerator. While the chicken marinates, we will now prepare the crunchy coating. So let's start with 5 large spoons of all-purpose flour, 2 large spoons of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, and half teaspoon of black pepper. Mix all of these well. Now that we have everything ready, let's start the coating process. Take 1 marinated chicken, add it to the coating mix. Mix it well, make sure that all the sides and everything get covered with the coating. And put that coated chicken in a dry plate. Repeat these steps for all the chicken pieces. We are going to coat this again, so dip the chicken back in the marination mixture and then dip it back again in the coating mixture. And then again put the chicken in another dry plate. Do this for all the chicken pieces again. You can use your hands if you want to. I was just comfortable using the chopsticks. Let's take a large pan and fill it with oil for deep frying and turn the stove on high. When the oil is warm, start adding the chicken and lower down the heat of the stove to medium. The reason why we are lowering the heat is to make sure that the chicken cooks well from the inside and it doesn't get burned from the outside. While your chicken is frying, make sure to give a big thumbs up like down below. After about 2 to 3 minutes, turn the chicken on the other side to make sure that both sides get cooked well. You can already see how crispy the chicken looks. Again, after 2 minutes, turn it back to the other side. And cook the chicken for about 4 to 5 more minutes or until the chicken is golden brown. You can see that the buttermilk chicken is now ready because it has that perfect golden brown color. So take the chicken out of the oil in a plate and use a paper towel to soak the extra oil. You can pair your buttermilk chicken with any type of sauces. I prefer ketchup and barbecue sauce, but you can also use ranch or mustard sauce. You can also use this buttermilk chicken to make sandwiches or burgers. So guys, enjoy your buttermilk chicken and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below.